Samsung is shaking things up? After a somewhat repetitive launch event, new reports suggest major changes for the future. Let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to fresh leaks, the Z Fold 7 will not include a standard S Pen digitizer to save space. Instead, we're looking at a new S Pen design that works like the Apple Pencil, transmitting signals in an electrical field. What does this mean? Thinner phones, folks, just 0.6 millimeters saved between the panels. Comparisons between thick and thin models. Speaking of thin, the latest Oppo Find N clocks in at a mind-blowing 8.93 millimeters when folded. Samsung is keen on this trend, hoping to make the Z Fold 7 even slimmer, targeting under 10 millimeters. But that's not all. The new Z Fold 7 will sport a larger 8-inch internal display with a 6.5-inch cover screen. More room for multitasking and a fantastic external display experience. S Pen and discussing it? Now, let's talk about the S Pen. With the Z Fold 7's new design, users have expressed concerns over the lack of Bluetooth in the S Pen for the S25 Ultra. Samsung's on a mission to change this with their new tech, making it more efficient and space-saving. But what about the price? We can expect a price rise with the added expense of the S Pen with AES technology. Montage of different foldable phones and their prices. Samsung's Z Fold range has seen some price fluctuations, but the company has made it clear they're not planning to release a cheaper Z Fold version. Instead, they're focusing on premium products like the Z Fold Special Edition, priced higher but offering more features. The Z Fold 7 is expected to enter mass production in May and officially launch around July, possibly alongside the Z Flip 7 and a potential trifold phone. Exciting, right? Battery specs remain the same at 4,400 mAh with 25W peak wired charging and 15W wireless charging, but we hope to see better battery life with new chipset advancements. One major edge Samsung holds is its software and Galaxy AI. With One UI 7 featuring new AI writing tools and a revamped interface, the Z Fold 7 could stand out against competitors like Google and OnePlus. To wrap it up, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 promises dramatic shifts in Samsung's strategy. A larger foldable, innovative S Pen, and potentially better battery life, what's not to love? We'll keep you updated as we get more information. Until then, stay tuned, and as always, thanks for watching.